So I was sent some exterior lights. These are outdoor security lighting with dusk to dawn photo cell. And these are their LED wall pack lights. It has auto on and off. My dog's just gonna bark through this whole thing. It says quick insulation, IP66 waterproof, automatic on and off, and AC 150 to 60 hertz. There's a 5-year warranty on it. These are the 40-watt ones. And I don't remember the name of the company, but I will have a link in the description below. They sent me these to review, and I am hoping that they're going to work on the outside of my shed. They had me send a photo of the outside of the shed, or shop, I should say, the outside of my shop. And they said these would work and that I would need 2 of them. So I'm hoping, because if so, I'll be installing them today. We have directions. We have connectors. Not sure what that is. It's some kind of foam. Probably to help seal it. And they sent me 2 of these. And I really like the design. I know this is a new product for them. It's packaged well. There's like all this extra foam. It's not even styrofoam. It's like foam, which is kind of cool. But these are, let's see how I open it. They adjust. So they sit on the wall like this. And there's some nuts and bolts on here. So, but you're supposed to be able to adjust this part out to wherever you need it at, or it could just sit flush like this. I will have to read the directions to find out how the rotation works, because I don't want to break it right out of the box. Oh wait, it's starting to move. Nope. I'll have to read it and find out how to adjust it. But if all goes well, I'll be installing 2 of these on the outside of my shop today. So, and like I said, I will have a link in the description below on where you can get these. It says quick insulation. Let's just hope I'm not jinxing myself, huh? Oh, you unscrew it with a tool, but it looks like you do it with a hex nut, or you know, a hex driver. Let me see if it has one in here. Might as well, since I got it all open. There's a bunch of connectors and screws. So like I said, I'm gonna go read all the directions, make sure I'm doing this right so I don't break it. But should be pretty easy to install, no different than any other exterior light. Let's get all this back in there. So stay tuned, and hopefully once I get those boxes up and the holes cut for them, I will be able to get these installed and have some lights in my driveway, which would be nice, you know, the driveway and the shop. So I will be back. Okay, y'all, after much ado, I got one installed. I totally overcomplicated it, of course. I didn't realize until I went to go put it back together that the light actually sits on a hinge. And so clamping it to the base, all that stuff to try and hold it up there while I wired it, would have been a whole lot easier if I'd have just stuck it on the hinges. So I know you guys didn't see much with that one. I will try to do real time with the other light when I install it. But for now, I'm gonna go take a break because my back's killing me. Because of course I had to go up and down the ladder.